Hi and welcome to ISBI. This is the third and last part of the ultimate space-saving router bit cabinet project. Please watch part 1 and 2 first if you haven't seen them yet. A link is in the description. In this video I'm gonna make the cabinet doors. As the first step, I cut all the stripes which I need for the frames of the door parts out of birch plywood. Then I cut the groove for the acrylic glass in all the stripes. I cut all the miters on the miter saw. After measuring the needed dimensions for the acrylic glass on the frame elements, I cut it on the table saw. Here I test the size of the acrylic glass. There is nothing worse than to realize during the gluing that they are too big. After a quick sanding of the door parts, they are ready to glue up. I sand the frame again to get rid of the last few squeezed out glue. I adding magnets to the doors and the cabinet, so the doors stay closed and cannot pivot down by itself. For the handles I decide to make the same kind of design as I made for my drawer cabinets of my workbench. Therefore I cut small parts out of plywood, drill a blind hole for the dowel and a handle in each of them, and sand them round on one side. For the handle I use aluminum tube, which I cut to size with a tube cutter. Then I mark the positions of the dowel holes on the frame parts and drill them at the drill press. And finally I glue the handles to the door frames. Then I mount the doors with simple hinges to the cabinet. I don't know why, but one door doesn't close properly, so I decide to add an additional magnet to hold the door closed. With the magnets, the door works perfect. I was very pleased how this cabinet turned out. Now it's very convenient to change router bits when I work at the router table. If you don't want to miss any future videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Feel free to share this video, and when you liked this video, then you can give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See ya!